How to fix Epson ET 2800 not printing issue. First, check the printer's power and connection. Make sure the printer is turned on. Check that the power cable is securely connected. If using USB, reconnect the USB cable. If using Wi-Fi, make sure the printer is connected to the same network as your computer. Try printing again. Step 2. Check ink levels. Look at the transparent ink tanks on the front of the printer. Make sure each color has enough ink. Refill any tank that is low using genuine Epson ink bottles, then close all covers securely. Step 3. Check for paper jams. Turn off the printer, open the rear paper access area, carefully remove any jammed paper, check for small torn pieces left inside, and then close the printer and then turn it back on. Step 4. Run a nozzle check. Open Epson Smart Panel or Epson Printer Utility, go to Maintenance, select Nozzle Check, print the nozzle check page, and inspect the printed pattern for missing lines. Step 5. Perform a print head cleaning. Open the printer's maintenance menu, select head cleaning, and start the cleaning process. Wait for it to finish, then print another nozzle check, and then repeat up to 3 times if necessary. Step 6. Check print queue. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners, select your Epson ET 2800, open the printer queue, and cancel any stock print jobs. Then send your documents again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.